Tēnā koutou, ngā mihi nui kia koutou, ko Shanell Kelly, kia ora e te whānau. I'm an accountant with Johnston Associates Chartered Accountants based throughout Te Tauihu. Just wanting to get the word out there about the recent government announcement allocating $40 million to the regional business partner to assist small to medium businesses affected by the impacts of COVID-19. Approved support of up to $5,000 can be utilised for business advisory services for one-on-one professional expertise. Please whānau, take advantage of this opportunity and don't hesitate to give me a call if you have any queries or whakaaro. I would love to have a kōrero and awhi in any way I can. I will now pass you over to my whanaunga Challen, who will discuss the registration process and what our businesses offer as registered providers.
Kia ora te iwi, ko Shanell taku ingoa. I'm the director of the Sisters Consultancy Integrated Communications. So the RBN process, it comes in two stages. The first stage is to register your business on the RBN platform. It's free for all businesses to register and quite an easy process. The second part of the process is to register your interest for one of the vouchers that provide the funding. So that's up to 5K for business supports through the RBN process. Some of the types of funding types of supports that the funding provides is financial management, communications, marketing, branding, business continuity, digital development and website development and other things like that to strengthen your business. There are a couple of criteria that businesses need to adhere to as well in being eligible for the vouchers, and we've provided a link in this pānui to show you what those criteria are. Another component, once you are registered and you are approved for your voucher, you will find a whole lot of services available on the marketplace. As whānau businesses passionate about the success of all of our businesses, both Shanell's mahi and at Johnston Associates Chartered Accountants and my business, the Sisters Consultancy Integrated Communications, we've been fortunate enough to be approved to provide services in our niche areas for whānau businesses and businesses across the board for the regional business networks. So we've also shared our marketplace IDs with you, and if our services align with what you need, get in contact with us. And if you know any other whānau businesses out there that have marketplace IDs, let us know and we will let other whānau know that they're on the marketplace. As Shanell was saying, if you need any advice, send her an email and I'm happy to assist as well. We've provided our email on the pānui. I think, from our understanding, ngā iwi o te Tauihu think this is a great support for growing and strengthening our businesses. So we're eager to get as many whānau businesses registered and putting their EOI in for these vouchers. He waka I ke noa.